Hello, on my way hiking up to find a panoramic sunrise view in the fog, so we'll see how that goes. I want to chat here about synesthesia and how we can apply a type of synesthesia to increasing our capacity to feel and work with energy. So this is all based off a current model that everything we experience comes through the touch gate, the sense of touch. So for us to see something, for us to have the eye gate be stimulated, something must touch the eye. And then of course there's all the processes that occur after this where that gets run through various systems and then gets turned into some type of craving or aversion. But point being, light has to touch the eye, then the eye sees. So something touches the eye, then we can see. Sound, these waves touch the ear gate, and then we hear. Something touches the nose gate, then we smell. Something touches the taste gate, then we taste. And also, something touches the mind gate, and then we mind or think. The processes of thinking start to arise as well. So when we are exploring this, we can begin by trying to feel the rest of the sense gates. Now, the easiest one, outside obviously of feeling and touch with the skin, you start looking at touch and pressure and different sensations that come through the skin. And then after that, I find that hearing is the easiest one. Following the sense of direct touch, we have hearing. So this would be feeling sound. So to help with this, you could turn music up quite loud. And anyone who stood in front of a bass amp or gone to a loud concert, you're aware that you can feel sound. And this is just at the level of sensation and sensory capacity. We're not talking about emotional stuff at all here, just raw feeling of sound. Then you can move to smelling. And maybe for this, you would take a minty type of scent, and you smell and you can feel when that scent touches the nose. And you apply this through the rest of the sense gates. Now, working on this, you'll start to realize that you can feel all of the different types of energy that stimulate the different gates. And this is one incredibly easy in to feeling energy. Now, what about the mind gate? This one we can find confusing, but you'll start to notice over time of paying attention to the feeling gate in relation to the mind is that you can feel thought. You can feel the frenetic static of the energy that is moving through thought. You can feel the shape that the mind takes to hold a particular type of thought form. And you start to feel the gate of the mind, just like you feel the gates of sight, hearing, smelling, and tasting. So you can explore this, have some fun with it, and observe as it starts to awaken a capacity to feel and work with energy. It's lots of fun. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this and it made sense. If you have any questions, drop a comment or email a note to the school online, and I'll get back to you. So if you'd like to awaken your capacity to feel subtle energies and wake up the senses in very subtle ways to other aspects of reality, there is a lot in this in the courses online, especially the Qi Gong program. Hopefully we'll see you there. All right, bye.